Hello, my name is Exion, and in this video, I'll be unboxing the Snap Kit Takumi's Hachi Roku. This is the car that Takumi was driving in the anime series Initial D. This was produced by a company called AE86, which is a Japanese company that makes high quality model kits, such as this. This is a beginner kit, as you can see by the beginner decal. With this kit, you don't need glue and you don't need paint. The plastic is already colored. Let's get to it. We got some shiny parts. Looks like the wheels. Very nice, very detailed. The body of the car. Of course, we have, it's like this is the undercarriage of the car and the seats, and we have the bumper. Looks like tail lights, maybe the rear view mirror. Oh, the headlights, and then this looks like this might be part of the headlights, and we have the plastic tires. And we have the steering wheel. Nice, nice. You know, I thought that the tires would be rubber, but it's plastic. And we also have the glass for the car. And what is this? Ah, yeah, so the headlights and taillights. We got some decals. See the instructions, stickers, the Fujiwara tofu shop, and then it has like door decals, the Initial D stickers, the lights, the red suns. So we got the windshield. Very nice, very high quality stickers. Okay, I'm going to save that for later. And this is the instructions. Says you need to use a pair of pliers and some tweezers. I like how it comes with pictures, so this is kind of self-explanatory. It says when you're applying the stickers, do not pick it up in the middle, instead pick it up by the edges of the sticker. Oh, and then you need a toothpick to be able to press the sticker on. The instructions are all in Japanese. This is what the first page looks like. And it tells you what it comes with. Let's flip it over. I guess this is kind of like IKEA, where you just have to follow the instructions. And you just have to go by the pictures. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and put this together.
The first thing to do in this kit is to put the stickers and decals on the car. The black stickers represent the black trim around the windows, the black paint on the side of the car, and the black bumper. I used a sharp wooden toothpick to peel off the stickers from the sticker sheet, and I had to very carefully place them on the car. I have really shaky hands, and I found it helpful to place the car on the table and use two hands to place the stickers. So putting the stickers in place is like doing surgery in a way. I gotta say that the detail on this car is quite amazing. Unlike other model kit cars that I put together in the past, this kit has stickers that are the size of a period at the end of a sentence. Yeah, you need a needle or something to put them on. I recommend getting the sharpest pair of precision diagonal cutters you can get. You can get a good one on Amazon for less than 10 bucks. You'll use this tool to snip off the plastic pieces from the sheet of plastic. Overall, I found that putting together this car is quite therapeutic and relaxing. I really like doing it. And at the end, I feel quite accomplished with what I did. Thank you for watching, and if you like content like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.